Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create Gmail account without phone verification or without phone number. Okay guys, let's see how can you create Gmail account without phone number. Okay guys, now I'm searching in YouTube how to create Gmail account without phone number, and you will get thousands of videos about this subject, but you'll not get the exact way. I'm going to show you the first method, how to create Gmail account without phone number. So let's see my mobile screen. Okay, now I am in my mobile screen. Go to YouTube first, then click on this icon and click on add account. It is the exact way. Click on add account, then it will say you to verify. Okay, I put my finger, or you can put your PIN number. I'm going to click on create account for myself, the name, the next, last name is I put it my password here. Click on next, and here is the things is I get two options, skip or next. Okay, and this or not make your phone number public. Here phone number, here is your phone number option, but you have skip option. That's why we can create Gmail account without phone number. Then click on skip, then click on next, and here is privacy and terms. You can read it or skip. Just click on I agree. It's working. Yes, it's working guys. Now I'm going to test in my PC. Is it working, this Gmail account? Okay, let's see. It's done. So here is the way you can create Gmail account without phone verification. So let's see the second method, guys. Here is the second method you can try. First, go to your browser from your PC or laptop. Click here and click new incognito window or Ctrl Shift N. Then go to Gmail. Okay. Gmail, and click on create account. Okay, for my personal use, first type your name here, then type password, then click on next. Let's try if it works. It's asking phone number. Recover email address, option next. That's great. Agree. It's working, I think. Yes, done. This is the second method. This is the email and it's created, and no hassle free. Okay guys, but this way you can create unlimited Gmail account without phone verification, and every time if you change your browser and change your IP address, then you can create it unlimited. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you think it will help you, then subscribe my channel for next video.